favors the bold. Hello, friends. Namaskar. My name is Suresh Shrimali. Welcome to our channel Astro and Numero with Shrimali. May all your wishes get fulfilled in 2021. Today, I will tell you about the effect of Venus transiting in Sagittarius zodiac. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you more about Venus. Venus is considered as an auspicious planet and it is also considered as the guru of demons. It is called a dawn star because when viewed from Earth, it is the brightest star. This is the planet of attraction, love, romance, beauty, wealth, knowledge, and comfort. The profession ruled by Venus includes textile industry, tours and travel, music, theatre, film industry, food and beverages, hotel, restaurant, creative works. Venus transit in Sagittarius between 4th of January to 27th of January. Will this Venus transit fulfill your dreams, your desires? How will the transit affect your business, love life, married life, or relationship? How can this transit bring changes in your life? Searching for the answers to all your questions, watch this video to get all the answers. Firstly, let me tell you about how this transit will affect the Arians. You are expected to get lots of benefits in the field of your work. If you continue working with determination, you will be more active in social work, which will increase your position and reputation in the society. Family members will help you financially and also help you to achieve your goals. You are advised to take a balanced and nutrition diet. Remedy for you is to distribute sweetened rice or pudding among poor kids. Let's move on to Taurus. You may get promoted due to your good work. This transition may affect your health, so you are advised to take care of your diet. Avoid spending money on unwanted things. Members of your household will remain in harmony. That will keep you away from mental stress. Students, artists, and players are advised to stop wasting time and concentrate on the future goals. Remedy for you is distribute food to the needy people. Let's move on to Gemini. Business persons may earn good profit with hard work and smart work or special efforts. Taking good care of your health will reduce the chances of getting sick. Take your responsibilities towards family seriously so that you get support from your family and partner. Students have to work hard and pay more attention in studies to achieve the desired goals. You can get an opportunity to go abroad if you work intelligently. Remedy for you is light a camphor lamp daily in the evening. Let's move on to Cancer. Job related opportunities may knock at your door. Speak wisely to avoid arguments at the workplace. You need to take good care of your health. Differences can arise with your spouse, so pay more attention to little things. Your hard work and smart work or some kind of dedication will get you better results. Enemies may try to harm, so be careful while traveling. Remedy for you is drink lemon water on an empty stomach every morning. Let's move on to Leo. You may get profit from your financial plans and business plans if you play wisely. Your carelessness at the workplace may cause you harm. You will be able to share all the past related with your partner. This will improve your relationship. Special efforts will be required for students to avoid a distraction from studies. You will get lots of opportunities to travel in upcoming days. Remedy for you is on Friday, give white food or clothes to the needy people. Let's move on to Virgo. Working people will get a special opportunity to prove their talent in the field because of their constant efforts. You will be able to spend more time with family that will strengthen your relationship. You can invest good money in real estate, may earn good profit. Students preparing for competitive exams might achieve desired results by working hard or putting in extra hours. Continuous yoga and meditation will reduce the risk of feeling sick. Remedy for you is use perfumes and silver ornaments. Let's move on to Libra. Good relations will be established with colleagues or higher official because of your good work and behavior. You will feel physically energized that will avoid mental stress. You will spend memorable time with your parents and siblings. Students will get desired results with continuous hard work and efforts. You will succeed in whatever you were working hard and putting extra hours. Remedy for you is keep a square piece of silver in your wallet. Let's move on to Scorpio. Your high officials may get impressed by the change in your speaking skill. Your increasing inclination towards religious and spiritual activities will help you in personality development. You may suffer from health issues, so take good care of your health. You can spend some quality time with your family and loved one. Remedy for you is avoid taking gifts from others or anything from free. Let's move on to Sagittarius. You will be able to establish your identity at the workplace with constant hard work and dedication. Due to certain changes in your behavior, your parents and loved one will be happy with you. You may go on a short distance trip with family or friends. Students will strong willpower will get the desired results. A remedy for you is meditate at least 45 minutes on every Monday. Let's move on to Capricorn. Private sector employees may get a chance to visit abroad and explore new opportunities. You are advised to keep calm to avoid arguments with family members and loved ones. Your words might hurt partner, so speak wisely. Student may face some obstacles in studies, but their efforts and dedication will help in overcoming. Remedy for you is wear cream color clothes all time or especially Monday or Tuesday. Let's move on to Aquarius. Your confidence and self motivation will help you to perform better at workplace. Business persons and employees will get best opportunities to expand their venture and earn profit. You are advised to eat and drink healthy, improve your diet, and include fruits and dairy products. You may have differences of opinion with your spouse or family members, so handle the situation wisely. Students, players, and artists are advised to focus on their work for better results. Remedy for you is give gifts and fragrance to your partner. Let's move on to Pisces. You might face challenges at the workplace, so work carefully and actively. Change in speech can show negative efforts, so think before you speak. Take out for your yoga and meditation to attain mental peace. Take proper care of your diet to avoid unfavorable situations. Student should focus more on planning future goals and work hard to achieve them. Remedy for you is keep fast on Friday. However, this is just a generalized forecast. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic appointment or video conferencing also. You can also WhatsApp us on given number or drop your queries in the comment box. At the end of this video, I wish this transit bring luck, love, health and prosperity to your life. Thanks for watching. Namaskar. Take care. Bye bye.